Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. Having these tools ready will streamline the process significantly. Start by disconnecting your vacuum from the power source. It's crucial to ensure safety before handling any internal components. Next, locate the screws that hold the main body of the vacuum together. There are typically 6 Phillips screws at the back and several Torx screws near the motor housing. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them during the repair. Once the screws are removed, gently separate the upper and lower halves of the vacuum body. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry the two halves apart if they are stuck. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or internal wiring. After separating the body, locate the motor assembly. The motor is usually secured with a few screws. Remove these screws using your Torx T15 screwdriver. With the screws out, you can lift the motor out of its housing. Make sure to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the motor, taking note of their positions for reassembly later. Before inserting the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will enhance the performance of your vacuum once the new motor is installed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess your vacuum and provide insight into the best course of action. Now, take your new motor and carefully connect the electrical connectors, ensuring they are securely fastened. Place the motor back into its housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the motor is seated properly to avoid any operational issues. Reassemble the vacuum by aligning the upper and lower halves of the body. Replace the screws in the order you removed them, ensuring everything is tightened securely. If you encounter any difficulties during this step, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel. After reassembly, plug the vacuum back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You should notice a significant improvement in suction power if the motor was the issue. If you notice any problems, it might be time to consider a professional assessment. Lastly, if you'd like a quote before repair or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you restore your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner to its optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.